Hey YouTube, it's finally here. I'm excited. As you can see, I now have the Axial SCX10 in my possession. So just can't wait to build this kit. It's a builder's kit, as you may know by now. I'm getting it a little late due to delayed shipments and stuff like that, due to the current situation. I'm not an expert in crawlers, so I'm not going to try to provide a whole lot of information on this kit. I just like to build. I just love the hobby. I'm just going to build it. I'm probably not going to do a build video. I'll probably just put small clips along the way of the build, so I'm not going to go in detail with the build. But I'm excited. This is my first crawler I bought in over about a year or so. So you can understand how excited I am to buy this. Like I said, it's a kit. Some additions, portal axles, different things. Now to complete, I guess, with the TRX4 that Traxxas has. I'm a fan of Axial. I love Traxxas, I love Axial as well. So I'm glad that they have a real competitor on the market, competitive product on the market. So what can you expect from your SCX10 Like I said, I'm no expert. Some of the things I can see here in the box that is important for me. Some of the things that I like about this kit that encouraged me to get it. I like that it came with the aluminum adjustable shocks. I like that as well. Beadlock wheels, NATO tires. So of course, comes with a Jeep GL body. I'm a fan of the Jeep GL, or anything Jeep, a matter of fact. So you have the new Jeep GL body. I love that, the way it looks. All metal gears. What else it comes with? So for serious crawlers, you may be interested in the dig function it has. So if you're going downhill and stuff, you can lock the back wheels, I think. All right, so let's get started. Open up this kit and see what we have. Explore the world. Alrighty. Of course, we have the Jeep GLU body. A set of little tires and beadlock wheels. Body mounts. That's what I love with Axial. They send you a lot of spare parts. So even though it has the body mounts that are hidden, they also send you the standard body mounts if you want to use a different body. So thanks to Axial. Of course, you have the roll cage and all the fenders, lights, all the accessories in here. I guess this is for the, I don't know, looks like the receiver. What do you call it? The box, the receiver box. I think this is the receiver box in here. Like I said, I'm no expert, so. Also has the fender, the inner fender flares as well. Is that what they call it? Yes. Inner fender flares and floor sides, yes. And these I love, the aluminum shocks, adjustable aluminum shocks. Oh, these are heavy, steel links. Like I said, the stainless steel links, quite heavy, solid. So it is it's a durable kit. Certainly getting your money's worth. front and rear portal axles. Also have an interior for it. It's kind of cool. So I think Axial, they came really strong with this kit. You just have just about everything you need. Transmission case, and metal gears. And this, I guess this is where our Horizon Hobby comes in. It has an adjustable chassis you can find in the Vitera products. So it's kind of nice. So, you know, I like to do my Gladiator builds. So this is I really like this as well. Adjustable chassis. What are these? Body fenders, more body fenders. Drive shaft parts for drive shaft. And of course, owner's manual and body stickers. Sweet. So thanks for watching. Of course, I'm gonna try my best to wrap this up by tomorrow. I'm not sure I can do it, but I'll try to wrap this up by tomorrow or day after tomorrow as soon as possible. So the fender build I'm doing right now, I'll probably put it on hold until I complete this project because I really want to get down to business with this. So if you haven't seen my Defender build, my rebuilding my old Traxxas Defender body, do my own take into it. So take a look at that video.